Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials, your Xbox, signed-in profile, and the gift card code. Once ready, connect the console to the internet and open the Microsoft Store app. This is where codes are entered. You choose Redeem from the menu. On console, it's under Store Redeem. On mobile or web use, the Redeem page. Do this now so the account you want to credit is active. That prevents accidental credit to another profile and speeds the process. You now enter the 25-character code exactly as printed. Mistakes cause errors, so take your time. If using a phone or web, you can paste or scan instead. On console, use the controller to type. Once entered, make sure the account, region, and currency displayed match your expectation, because region mismatches block redemption. After you confirm, the store applies funds to your Microsoft account or activates the subscription tied to the card. Watch the confirmation screen to verify success. Once funds show, you can buy games, DLC, or renew Xbox Game Pass. Choose payment at checkout and select Microsoft Balance first. If the code fails, pause, confirm the card matches your account region and isn't already used or expired, and check for service outages. If balance doesn't appear after successful redemption, sign out and back in, restart the console, and gather the transaction ID. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with that ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.